Let's simplify this radical expression, square root of 8 plus square root of 8 plus square root of 8 over square root of 24. So first is let's combine the numerators here. So since we have 3 square root of 8s, so we will multiply. So equals 3 square root of 8 over the square root of 24. Okay guys, so let's continue. Since our radicand here, 8 and 24, are not perfect squares, so we will have to get the two factors in which one of them is a perfect square. So equals 3 square root of 4 times 2 over square root of 4 times 6. So 4 here is a perfect square. So next guys is let's get the square root of 4, the numerator and the denominator. So copy 3 and then times. So the square root of 4 is 2 and then square root of 2 over the square root of 4 is 2 then square root of 6. Okay guys, so next is let's multiply. 3 times 2 is 6 then over 2. So 6 divided by 2 is 3. So it is also the same as 2 divided by 2 is 1. So cancel this and then we will have 3. And then square root of 2 over square root of 6. So next guys is let's rename this into 3 square root of 2 over 6. So we will continue here. So let's find the lowest term of square root of 2 over 6. So let's have square root of 2 divided by 2 is 1. And then 6 divided by 2 is 3. So now we will have 3 square root of 1/3. So next guys is let's rename this into a multiplication. So copy 3 and then times 1 over the square root of 3. Okay, so next is we will multiply 3 here. So 3 times 1 is 3 over the square root of 3. So next guys is let's multiply 3 over square root of 3 into square root of 3. So 3 times square root of 3 is 3 square root of 3 over 3, or square root of 3 times square root of 3 is square root of 9. And the square root of 9 is 3. Okay guys, so next is let's divide. So 3 divided by 3 is 1. So cancel this and we will have square root of 3. So the final answer guys is square root of 3. So guys, thank you for watching. Follow and share.